How to withdraw your earnings from Bolt Driver account. Time to cash out your hard-earned money. Here's how to withdraw earnings from Bolt. First, open the Bolt Driver app and go to Wallet or Earnings section. Tap Withdraw Funds or Payout. Choose your linked bank account and enter the amount you want to transfer. Bolt usually processes payments automatically on a weekly basis, but you can check the payout schedule inside your account for exact dates. Always verify your bank details in advance to avoid payout delays or errors. How often do you withdraw your Bolt earnings? Let us know about it in the comments below. And that's how you can withdraw your earnings from Bolt Driver account. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.